Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're getting into something that could literally save you thousands of dollars and a ton of headaches. How to properly inspect a used car before you buy it. Now, I've got a little secret for you. A simple trick that's going to blow your mind and expose a bad car instantly. I'm saving it for the end of the video, so stick around, because you don't want to miss it. Meanwhile, let's get into the step-by-step process that will turn you into a savvy used car buyer and help you avoid a money pit. Why inspecting matters. Buying a used car is a huge deal. It can be like finding a hidden gem or unknowingly stepping into a nightmare. A proper inspection is your best defense against hidden problems and scams. It's about making sure you get a reliable vehicle for your money. Whether you're buying from a dealer or a private seller, this guide is your new best friend. Step 1. Check the vehicle history and documentation. Before you even touch the car, the first thing you need to do is ask for its history. This is the foundation of your inspection. Get your hands on the vehicle's documents and logbook. Make sure the seller's name matches the owner on the papers. You can use online platforms or apps to check for accident records, service history, and if there are any outstanding loans or legal disputes. This crucial step prevents any nasty surprises down the road. Step 2. Exterior inspection. Now, let's walk around the car. Go slow. This is where you play detective. Look closely for scratches, dents, or signs of repainting. These can tell you if the car has been in a past accident. Check for rust, especially near the doors, wheel arches, and underneath the car. It's a major red flag. Inspect the windshield and windows for any cracks or chips. Finally, check the tires. They should have even wear. Uneven wear can be a clue that the car has alignment or suspension issues. And don't forget to check the lights. Are they all intact and clear? Or are they foggy and old? Step 3. Interior condition assessment. Time to get inside. Hop in and take a good look around. Check the seats for any tears, stains, or heavy wear. Get a feel for the dashboard and test all the electronics. Lights, gauges, and infotainment. A working air conditioner and heater are a must, so turn them on and check the airflow. All the power windows, locks, and mirrors should be working smoothly. And don't forget to use your nose. A musty or moldy smell could mean water leaks or damage. Step 4. Under the hood inspection. Pop the hood and do a thorough check. Look for any oil leaks or excessive grime. Check the belts and hoses for cracks or wear. Inspect the battery terminals for corrosion. And, of course, verify that the coolant and oil levels are where they should be. Start the engine when it's cold and listen carefully for any ticking or grinding noises. Watch the exhaust for any smoke. Blue or black smoke can be a big hint that there are engine problems. Step 5. Take it for a test drive. This is the fun part. While you're driving, pay close attention. Does the car accelerate and brake smoothly? Does the steering feel aligned? Or does it pull to one side? Listen for any strange noises from the engine, brakes, or suspension. If it's an automatic, make sure the gears shift cleanly without any delays or jerks. For a manual, the clutch engagement should feel smooth. Test the brakes at different speeds to make sure they're responsive. Step 6. Mechanical and undercarriage check. If you can, have a trusted mechanic inspect the car. This is highly recommended. They can check the brake pads and rotors for wear, and the suspension components like shocks and struts for any damage. They can also inspect the exhaust system for leaks or rust, and look for any oil or fluid leaks underneath the car. Step 7. Verify the car's market value and negotiate. Always do your homework on the market value of the car. Compare prices online to make sure you're getting a fair deal. Use all the findings from your inspection as bargaining chips. For example, if you find a small dent or worn tires, you can ask for a price reduction. Bonus tips and common mistakes to avoid. 1. Never buy a used car without a proper inspection, even if you trust the seller. 2. Be careful with cars that have inconsistent stories or vague answers about their history. 3. Always ask why the car is being sold. 4. Use a magnet to check for suspicious body filler on badly repaired areas. 5. Bring a flashlight so you don't miss leaks or rust in hidden spots. The big secret. Alright, here's the secret I promised you at the start. Did you know that one of the most overlooked ways to spot a bad used car is by checking the oil cap? Pull off the oil filler cap under the hood. If you see a thick, creamy peanut butter-like residue inside, that's a clear sign of water mixing with the oil. This is often caused by a blown head gasket, which can lead to thousands of dollars in repairs. Just this one simple check can save you from a major financial headache. There you have it. Follow these steps, and you'll be way ahead in the used car buying game. Inspect smart, ask questions, and never rush the process. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop your car buying questions or stories in the comments below. Safe driving and happy car hunting!